And then what's your goal as a defense this year for the season?
No one gets past 3 yards rushing. How to put that? No 3-yard gains, like nothing past 3 yards. Just keep on to that and just shut down the pass with our pass rush.
Mike, you got any questions?
How important is experience to you on the defensive line? How is that going to help you guys be the position group that the defense leans on this year?
Well, I mean, we're like the oldest group, seniors, and I think our experience is going to help, set an example and lead the way for the younger guys. And our middle linebackers are also pretty young, but inexperienced, but they'll get better.
And then with that experience, does that help you guys with communicating with each other during the game? Calling out what's offensive, what the offense is trying to get.
Oh, absolutely. Like play calls, we know everything. Like I know the middle linebackers blitz. Like our entire D-line knows what's going on, so it helps. Like I'll have a guy ask me what's he got to do, and I can tell him without even thinking about it. Oh, shit.
And finally, have there been any young offensive linemen that you've gone up against during camp that have really stood out to you? Young guys, new guys that are trying to step up and fill different spots?
Absolutely. Kyle Lanik, young guy, big, strong, like pretty good. He can toss me around, and I'm a pretty big guy, but we have our fights, so we'll be good.
Are you good, Mike?
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Chris. Let's take this for you.
All right.
Thanks a lot, man. Good luck this year.
Thank you.